Set A, Text 1. Swimming Disaster. Uncle Bronco always says that he doesn't play by anyone's rules. However, that always ends up embarrassing me when he's watching me for the day. One time, we went to a restaurant and he insisted on sitting on the floor. We once went to a concert and he insisted on dancing on the stage behind the band. Like I said, it can be embarrassing. Today, Uncle Bronco took me to the town pool. He carried a giant sandwich right past the sign that said Pool Rule Number 4: no food or gum in the pool area. He was munching away at the sandwich, lettuce and pickles flying everywhere. I yelled at him about the sign, but he waved his arm and said, "Live a little." He tossed the sandwich into a chair and threw his t shirt down after it. He ran over to the pool, still with a mouthful of sandwich, and jumped in without looking as I called after him, "Please be careful." He didn't even notice, but he missed landing on a kid snorkeling through the water. All of a sudden, the lifeguard hopped down from his chair and walked over in a stern way as he blew his whistle. I knew he was going to yell at Uncle Bronco and probably throw us out, the usual. When Uncle Bronco finally came to the surface, his face was red, and he immediately started coughing like crazy and flapping his arms. The lifeguard dived in and pulled him over to the side of the pool. The lifeguard slapped him on the back, and a huge hunk of tomato came flying out. The lifeguard asked Uncle Bronco if he was okay. Uncle Bronco said that he was fine. Then the lifeguard told Uncle Bronco that he was banned from the pool for the rest of the summer. Here are the questions that follow. After each question, support your answers with evidence from the passage. Number 1. Summarize the events of the story. Number 2. What evidence from the story supports the inference that following safety rules is important to the narrator of the story? Number 3. What happened to Uncle Bronco while he was in the pool? Number 4. Determine the meaning of the word banned as used in the following sentence. Then the lifeguard told Uncle Bronco that he was banned from the pool for the rest of the summer.